Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, myself Mihir, I'm a spray paint artist. I know I'm putting up this video after a long time. It's been tough for me as well. But this video is not going to be a traditional spray painting that I always put up. This time it's my car that we're going to paint. This is my 2011 Honda City, and the part we're going to paint is this rear portion of the bumper. This bottom part of a rear bumper is called the valance. Now, being an automobile designer myself, I can at least educate you with names, right? And the thing is, I'm doing this for the first time myself. I've just watched videos on how to do it. So I'll take you through the process. Now, even I don't know what the result is going to be. Let's hope it works. So the first thing that we're going to do is, I'm going to clean the surface. I'm going to mask it, and then I'm going to wet sand it. So I'm done with the first part, which was the most toughest, as I had to mask the upper edges which are going to be visible when I take the whole masking off. For the curve, what I've done is I've layered the tapes so that it makes a proper curve. So the next process is wet sanding. So I'm using a 220 grit sandpaper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it every time I'm scratching the surface. So what I want to do is I want to scuff the white paint over here so that the original black bumper shows up. So quick update, I'm all sweaty over here. As you can see, it's really tough to take this paint off. You see the white thing coming off? That's the paint. So this is going to take a long time. Let's continue. Here is a quick update of the sanding process on day number 2. As you can see, the shape is clearly visible now. So as of today, majority of the area has been sanded off. The only part remaining is the top one and the bottom part. So till the earlier update, I was using this 220 grit sandpaper, but that was taking too long, so I went to the market and got a 150 grit. But I actually wanted a 100 grit paper, but this is what I got. So as you can see, the edges over here, quite clean actually. And the taping has come off slightly, but I'll have to tape it again, I guess. As the crease of the bumper was running this way, I went along with it exactly. Morning guys, it's day number 3. वैसे बारिश तो आजकल रुक ही नहीं रही है. वैसे कल मैंने बॉटम पार्ट पूरा निकाल दिया था, तो ये बॉटम एक्चुअली काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट रहा क्योंकि मुझे पूरा टाइम बेंड होके करना पड़ा था. सो इट वाज क्वाइट हेक्टिक. वैसे टॉप पार्ट स्क्रैप करने के लिए भी काफ़ी मेहनत लगने वाली है क्योंकि मुझे क्लीन एजेस चाहिए रहेंगे. वैसे ये ऑटोमोटिव पेंट निकालना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है यार. फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा हूँ, अभी समझ रहा है मुझे. और होंडा की क्वालिटी मतलब टॉप नॉच. वन मोर थिंग कि स्प्रे का मतलब प्राइमर मुझे इजीली मिल नहीं रहा है. सो आई मे गो टू गराज एंड प्राइम इट ओवर देयर और जल्दी से ये सैंडिंग खत्म करते हैं क्योंकि आई कांट वेट टू स्प्रे पेंट माई कार. आई मीन कम ऑन, खुद की गाड़ी पेंट करने का मौका कब मिलता है यार. So guys, I've come to a garage and I'm going to prime it over here. So this person is masking the whole surface. Burning agent.
प्लास्टिक सामान
तो बॉन्ड कोट बोलते हैं इसको.
इसको पकड़ के रखता है,
हाँ.
छोड़ता नहीं.
So this coat is called the bond coat, which keeps the primer stuck to the surface. And this coat is very necessary. hey guys, this is the next day and I'm really trying my best to make this the final day of the project. So कल मैंने प्राइमर करवा लिया था. I really need to refine these edges over here. एंड इसको हम करने वाले हैं 600 ग्रिड पेपर से वेट सैंडिंग. अब मेरे पास मुझे 600 ग्रिड का पेपर अवेलेबल नहीं था. So what I'm doing is I'm using 320 grit paper and I'm scraping it on some other surface, for example floor. So उससे क्या होगा, सैंडपेपर थोड़ा सा यूज्ड अप हो जाएगा and it will be quite smooth now. And one thing we need to make sure is बहुत हल्के से करना है. We just want to get rid of the roughness of it. Now as soon as this dries up, I'm going to start the painting process. Look how smooth that is. And I've slightly refined the edges. It depends on my masking now. So here it is, masked and ready. So I'm using this Maxol matte black spray paint. The first coat is going to be very light. The second coat is going to be the deepest one. And let's see if we can do the third coat. And you need to wait for 10 minutes after each coat. Now we're gonna wait for 5 more minutes. Mask is a must.
For the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, cursed out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, call me daddy of the day. I be rich, ain't no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Get it bouncing, all you gotta catch your fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way. I've had enough of your shit, I'm about to rage. Get my burst out like I'm in the game. Another 3 shots, take you to a place.
So there you have it, the blacked out rear valance of my bumper. Looks really cool, exactly how I wanted it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe and share. See you later.
Oh, babe, you don't need a thing. Oh no, dirt up on your face. Better wipe it off, you look like a disgrace.